friends, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. I am Terry if you're new here, and I'm so glad that you're visiting. I hope you'll stay. I am so excited today to be partnering and working with Natalie Attired and a couple of other wonderful YouTubers. And so this is a collab with Kristy from Georgia Sunshine, Laura with Little Box of Happy, and Kayla with Kaylas Kloset, and me with Southern Yankee. We're really excited to announce something. Natalie Attired heard you guys loud and clear, and you guys loved the celebration collection that they had rolled out over the last couple of months during COVID. They know you loved it, so they created a version of it for you guys to have permanently now. Oh, it's such an exciting time. So what it's going to be called now, instead of the celebration collection, it's going to be called the limited collection, and shipments will be available starting for you guys June 22nd. So the four of us ladies, by the way, they're all amazing. They're going to be listed in the description box with all of their channels, so when you're finished watching with my channel and watching this video, you can go and see what they got in their limited collections. You can request pieces that you saw any of us get. So if you fall in love with something I got, Kristy, Laura, or Kayla got, you guys can request those items for your limited collection. This and what it is, and then we're going to get into what I got. And stay tuned to the end, because at the end I am going to show you some style tips on how I would accessorize with jewelry. So if you love jewelry as much as I do, you want to stick around to the end for that. Okay, so the limited collection has changed a little bit. You are still going to get between 3 and 4 items that value of 150 to at least 150. My collection is 162, this particular one I received. So between 150 and 160 is about where your collection will be for the 3 or 4 items. All you're going to pay for that is $72 for the collection and $10 shipping. So a total of $82, and you get to keep, if you keep all of it, you're getting a 50% or more savings on your collection. So this is a great way to budget your clothing allowance for the month, the year, the quarter, whatever you guys want to do. If you just want to keep, you know, a couple of pieces, then your $10 shipping will apply to that. If you keep nothing, however, you do lose your $10 shipping. So it behooves you to probably find one item in here at least that you can keep, apply your $10 for. But I did some math and I was like, okay, well, what if I want 2 pieces? When I added it up, my 2 pieces were more than if I just kept all of it. So definitely make sure you're smart about the way you're shopping and you're doing your homework on this. What else do we need to know about this? They are sending them no longer in the big boxes anymore. They will be in a bag for sustainability and shipping costs to keep them as low as possible. And also the classic collection, which is the regular one they've always had, they still have that available to you as well. You'll see one of mine coming up in the next week or 2. So this is exciting because this is for you guys. You guys wanted this, and here it is for you. Natalie Attired's limited collection, $72 plus $10 shipping. Away we go. Let me show you what I got, and I'm going to share with you the prices. I have notes because a lot of new stuff's coming up. All right, so this first piece that I got is this little ivory button t-shirt. Very cute, like almost like a modal type of a material. So much you can do. You guys have heard me talk about why basics are important in your wardrobe. This is absolutely a basic. Now it's gotten a little bit wrinkled due to shipping. Came all the way, I think, from California, so I do need to steam this, but this is a beautiful lightweight for the summer, very breathable fabric. And this is by Ambient in a size large. The little buttons going down the front. So this piece here is $29 for this one. This is the cheapest item that I received. All right. The next item is so cute and funny because we were laughing about it the other day. We were all on a Zoom conference laughing about this one because everyone knows, you know, that I've got the biggest butt of the group. And I'll tell you why in a minute. So this is by Royalty for me. I've not heard of these shorts. We'll see how they do for me, but they're nice. They look like they have a 5 or 6 inch inseam, which is what I need. But on the back it says, "Wanna bet a butt." Look at, wanna bet a butt. So we were giggling about that. So I'm gonna try those on for you. They're really cute. I do like the whiskering on them. Really, really cute. These guys are $46. Not a bad price, even if I was just to pay outright for them. Not a bad price at all. And this goes with, she had these two together. That's something nice that Natalie Attired does, is they pair things together that they believe will make a cute outfit. So this little white tee was paired under this cardigan. And this is a beautiful cardigan by Ginger G. This is a $45 cardigan. It is a summer cardigan. So you have like 3/4-ish sleeves, and it's a beautiful kind of vintage rose garden type of a cardigan. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see how pretty that is. You will see it definitely better when I try it on. So, but it's just gorgeous. I don't think this has pockets. Let me look. No, it's just an open front cardigan. Really, really pretty. And did I tell you how much that was? This one was $45 for the cardigan. I think I told you, I can't remember. And then my last piece for my limited collection is this almost like a denim type of a shirt. This is by, I think, a new brand to Natalie Attired called Cotton Blue. I think Kristy got something in different color, or a couple pieces. I think we all maybe got a couple pieces of cotton blue. So I've got kind of like the denim sort of chambray shirt, V-neck, short sleeves that are cuffed. You can see the sleeve there. And then it comes down and it has a tie at the bottom. So I think that this is going to be, this is a size medium. I think this is going to be a nice piece. Definitely will pull out blue eyes if you have blue eyes. And I have some cute styling tips for wearing this with what I think will look good. Oh, I forgot to show you. It's kind of got like little pearl buttons going down the front. I don't think they are usable buttons, but I don't think I'm going to need to unbutton those to get the top on. So, which will be good because I don't want to unbutton them to get the tops on. Those little buttons aggravate me. So if they're there for decoration, beautiful. But if I have to use them to get the shirt on and off, that's probably a no for me. So. All right, guys, so those are my 4 pieces. I'm going to go ahead and try everything on for you, and then really quickly I'm going to update the look with a little bit of jewelry, and we'll take it from there and see how it does. My link will be below for you guys as well if you want to get your own Natalie Attired limited collection or classic collection. And I think that's it, so let's get in. All right, friends, so I have the cute little like chambray top on. I actually don't own one of these. This one's cute. I will tell you, this is running big. This is a medium. It's quite large, almost too big on me. Like down in here, I wish I could have kind of like scooched it up a little bit tighter, but you can't. So I would just say size down if you request the cotton blue. I don't know if they're all like that though, so just, you know, just giving you a heads up on me, it's a little bit large, but it's really cute. It does come down a little bit in the back. And then I have the shorts on. The shorts actually were rolled down one more. They're kind of long, so I just want to show you. That is the size that they came. That is the size I would wear them at. I don't like them as long as they are. This is, but I like that you can roll these up another layer, so that works out really nice. And then on my feet, I just have a cute little pair of denim bow shoes that I owned. So here is the complete outfit. Very cute. This is very lightweight, very comfortable. I like it. It's real easy breezy for summer, but it runs a little bit big. And actually the jeans are a little big on me too. I thought an 8 was coming, but these are a 10, and they've got a little too much extra. I don't know how well I'm showing you guys that, if you can see that, but they're real stretchy, so I think I need an 8 in those, so I'm just going to see if I can exchange it. But otherwise, it's a super cute outfit. Super cute for summer. I think probably also, if you didn't want to, let me just try this with you guys while I have you. I think if you didn't want to, like, you could probably tuck the whole thing in here. If you don't want the tie in the front, yeah. Let me see if it's making it too poofy in here. Doesn't seem to be. So there it is without the tie. Sorry about the cars, guys. I wanted to do it outside because you guys get better lighting out here, but there are vehicles going by. So I don't know, I kind of think I like the tie better with this one. I just think that it's a little bit big. Here it is. All right, so that's how I would probably wear it. All right, now I'm going to try the cardigan and the little top on, and then we'll do some jewelry. All right, so we have the cardigan and the little top. I love the little top. It's a great, great top just for layering. It's perfect. And then added the kimono, or not kimono, the cardigan over it. Really pretty little cardigan. It is a little bit long for the shorts. It kind of goes all the way down, and it does kind of scoop back. What I think would be cute is, for me on this, is to tie it up, and I tried it, so I know I can do it already. I want to show you that. I think this is just a little bit more stylish for me, and I still can appreciate the beauty of the cardigan. I don't like things to be too bulky on me. I don't think that's a good look for me. I want to look as thin as I can. As don't we all, right? So here we go. Here it is tied. And I think that that's really a cute little outfit now. This is poking me, this tag back here. Let's see if I can tuck this in. Yeah, there we go. Super cute. And the sleeves are, you know, they come down there. I just kind of scrunched them up because they're a little too long. But if I go to eat, if, you know, we ever can again, go in to eat at a restaurant or something and I'm chilly, I'm going to appreciate that I can have a little bit of length with the cardigan. So really like both of these pieces a lot. Hope you guys do too. All right, guys. Let's get on to the styling of accessories with the items next. All right, guys, for the jewelry for this first outfit that we saw, I thought pearls would go appropriately with this top because it does have the pearls buttons here. So what I did is I added this little toggle necklace. This is a faux pearl. This is from Target. I'll link this below for you guys as well. But it's such a perfect top because you have a V, and you're not going to want to wear like something that goes too long when you have a V neck. If it was like a mock neck or something up here, then a long neck I think would be appropriate. But right here you need something that's going to fit within this V shape, and this pearl picks up the little pearls in the button, so that's perfect. And I'm going to zoom in a minute, but on my ears I have little pearl hoops, and then this is a genuine pearl. These are from Parklane. I'll also link them, and they've got a genuine freshwater pearl, and they're just a really nice little hoop earring. So very simple, but really elevates the entire look by adding jewelry. It just makes you look completed, like you have your jewelry on. I also have a bracelet on just that I forgot to take off, but I think it works with this outfit, so I'll show you it. I think this might have been from Rocksbox, but it is a abalone shell bracelet, and it's the one where you can tighten it to fit your wrist. I'll see if I can find something similar for you guys. And let me zoom in on these earrings and necklace. So there's the necklace. And these toggles are really, really in right now. So, and here's the earrings. All right, guys, so that gives you an idea of something to wear with this. Now, if you want to go a little simpler, I do have kind of, or more bling but simple, I have another necklace I'm going to show you with this. Okay, so here I just went with a little blingy necklace that's like a choker style, and it's just got little crystals all through it. Let me pull you guys in. There we go. Very pretty. All right, and I just kept the same earrings in. So I think that's a nice look as well, but I think personally, in my opinion, I liked the one with the pearl a bit better. But if that's too big for you or too much for you, you can go with something dainty around the neck and still give yourself that little bit of extra, like you really put some effort into your outfit today. All right, next up, we're going to try to use some accessory jewelry with the next outfit. Okay, guys, for this outfit, what I chose was this circle necklace, which hangs down, And then I chose the Kendra Scott pink earrings because it's pulling the pink in here. I actually have lots of earrings that are gonna go really cute with this outfit. And you could tie this outfit up for a little bit more of a hipper look. I think that the long look might be good for like when it's a little chilly still. But for me, I want to look like I'm my age. I don't want to look too old. So for me, I'd probably wear it like this. And then you've got your, it's just pretty. It's a beautiful little cardigan. And you've got these beautiful pink earrings that match. So let me pull you in on these. These are one of my favorite pairs of Kendra Scott earrings that I own. I will link them below if I can find them for you. And then on the necklace, it's just a very simple, you can find these anywhere. In fact, I'm not sure where I got this one, but I'm going to try to link one similar. I don't know if I can find this exact one, but I'll definitely link one similar. So these earrings are great. I'm gonna just show you how switching out the earrings makes a difference. So I do have several pairs of earrings to show you guys. All right, I kept the same necklace on. Look at these cute earrings. So these have a little bit of that green in it. That's going to pull the green in here. Those fun. So fun. And if you have long hair like me, or even short hair, how beautiful. It's great with your hair up, it's great with your hair down, and they're fun, they're playful. They add another different kind of look to the whole thing. I'm gonna back up and just show you guys. I feel like I'm coming in a little dark for some reason. But those are fun. I really, really like those. Here's a better look. We have better light this if I'm facing this way. Now you can really see them. And then of course, the necklace. And this necklace is adjustable, so you can wear it. Let me show that to you. That's kind of cool thing about this. You can wear it like this. That is so cute. So cute. Really takes it up a whole nother notch. All right, guys, I have actually 2 more pairs of earrings to show you, and that'll be it for this outfit. Okay, these are one of my new favorite pairs. These came from Target, Bumble Bar. And they're pink druzy, and they've got crystals around them. Aren't they cute? They are so cute. So, and I actually think I like this up here like that. You guys let me know what you think, but I think that looks really, really nice together. The only other earrings that I have, I want to show you 2 more things. So I also just have your traditional hoop earrings, and these, well, they're hoops with a little bling. They've got beautiful crystals all over them. So I think that this is going to look really good too with this circle, like just to kind of pull it all together. Let's see if I can get one of these in for you. Yeah. Different looks. One's more of a drop, and the hoop, I really like this. And if you have a long face like me, a hoop is really nice to kind of shorten your, you know, kind of give you a little bit of a lift. Really, really pretty. All right, and last but not least, I have 2 different earrings on now. The other color that I think would really look good with this outfit is rose gold. I think the rose gold is going to warm this outfit up. I want to show you this necklace. It's all rose gold, and it's from Parklane jewelry. And so I think that this, if you had this, and I do have some like blingy rose gold earrings that I could wear to match it, I think that this is going to look good, especially if you wear the cardigan in an open way. I think I will wear my hoops today for the day. Okay guys, that is the end of my accessorizing the outfits that I got. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it with you guys. And all of the items I can link for you will be below. My items will be listed below for you as well in the description box in case you loved any of them and you really wanted to request them. And the other ladies that are in the collab, Kayla and Kristy and Laura, their channels are going to be linked below, so you can go check out their videos and see what they got as well. Have a nice day, guys. I hope you enjoy your day. Bye-bye.